Hey guys, happy Sunday. It is Sunday. It's a beautiful day. Thank God for the day. We are on the way to Trader Joe's. Why? Because I love Trader Joe's, number one. Number two, Trader Joe's has the best. When I say the best, like damn near already prepared meals that you can kind of like spice up for your dinner nights. We're gonna go to pick out my favorite Trader Joe's items that I shop for every time I go to Trader Joe's. Now I'm sure they will have some seasonal favorites, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so something you have to get when you're at Trader Joe's is this fried rice. I love these. This is really good. I get 3 of them just to have in my chest freezer as a backup because they're that good. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Which one is on the sweeter side?
Right here. It's a good point. Bad news about it, it's not going to be around long.
Yeah. Do you have any like Moscato Diasti?
We have some Moscato.
Moscato?
We have a good one.
Really?
Yeah.
Which
Called
is like,
yes.
can you show me?
It is a deal. Yeah. He's going to show you.
Perfect.
We got that here for you.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
One.
Which is the best one? Oh, that's a Diasti right there.
It is.
Oh, nice.
All of them are. Except for
Okay.
that. That's really one of the better.
This one here? Is this one better than like the pink one, the rosé one?
You know, it depends on how sweet you like that.
I like really sweet. This isn't that sweet.
That one or the peach.
This or the peach. Okay. Let's try. Okay. I'm gonna try the peach one. Actually, I'm gonna try this one first. Thank you.
Good price on food.
Oh yeah. Thank you so much. Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good.
Found it to be okay?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Are you on camera?
Not you.
Oh,
I am.
we're happy missing out.
For my YouTube channel.
How's your experience going here?
Pretty good.
Awesome.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we are making our way out of Trader Joe's. At a whopping 182. I didn't do that bad. I got a lot of things. I feel like the biggest item on here that I purchased was like 2 double-digit items, which were the shrimp, which were $11.99, and the little tails at $14.99. That was literally the biggest spend that I got at Trader Joe's, which wasn't bad at all because the quality of the food at Trader Joe's is A1. Okay, so yeah, I was gonna kind of vlog every item that I kind of picked up in there, but it's Sunday and it's kind of busy, so we're gonna take this stuff home and unbag it. And after we unbag it, we'll go ahead and look at everything I got, and you guys can see all the cool stuff I got. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. It's a beautiful day outside today. Luckily, I took everything out of my car, so I have a space in the room to put all these groceries. And we're not done. We still have to go to Walmart. And then how about it is freezing outside? Like when I say freezing, I know it's not just me. It's freezing. And people have shorts on. I understand people might have just left the gym, but it's too cold. It is way too cold to have some shorts on. I'm sorry. Too cold. It is December. Come on now. We have no business. We have no business wearing shorts in Georgia in December. Okay, guys? Okay? Alright, guys. We are back from Trader Joe's and we are going to do an unbagging. Not an unboxing, but an unbagging of all the items that I got from Trader Joe's because I was literally going to like vlog while I was in Trader Joe's, but it was too much going on. It was too busy. It was too many people. So yeah, we're going to start with bag number 1. This is the Mandarin orange chicken. When I say these are fire, these are fire. So what I do with these is I get jasmine rice, and it already has a sauce packet in here. But when I say these are A1, these are A1. What I originally do first, I bake them first. And then I end up putting the sauce on. And then I'll put them back in the oven to bake a little bit longer for the crispiness. But these might be better than Panda Express. So I got those. I got 2 bags of those. I also got these corn dogs because I love, y'all know I love hot dogs. You know, when every time I go to State Farm Arena, I'll be getting a hot dog. But these are the corn dogs. They're turkey corn dogs. They look really good. I have not tried these yet, so this will be the first time I try them. So let's hope they're good, okay? I also got the Kung Pao chicken. Y'all, fire, okay? Fire. When I say fire, like, it's fire. And it comes with, like, the peanuts you put on top. So I love that combination. Got those. Okay, and now this next thing. Hold on, let me fix my camera. The next thing that I got, you guys, when I say I love, love, love tamales. Trader Joe's has frozen tamales. And when I say you will not be disappointed, you will not be disappointed, okay? These tamales are A1. All you have to do is like wet a paper towel, wrap them in a paper towel, put the paper towel in the microwave for whatever time it says on it. And when I say, y'all will think that Abuela made these tamales right in front of your face. That's how good they are. Y'all think I'm joking. These are my favorite. Totally favorite. Okay, so I got beef tamales. I also got chicken as well. 2 beefs. I actually think I got 3 beef, 3 chicken. Because why not, right? Okay. So, got the beef and the chicken and cheese. I don't remember which one like tastes better. I think it was the chicken. One of them was like kind of spicy, but it was really good. Let's see. So I got 3 chicken. I got 3 tamales. 3 chicken, 3 beef tamales. These are my favorite. I think I'm literally gonna eat some of these before I go to Walmart today. So also got this. I never got this before. This is like frozen crushed ginger. I got this because y'all know I love Starbucks medicine ball tea. I also got these. I don't know how to say them. I'm not gonna say them. I got these little like lobster tail things. I haven't tried these yet, but I'm excited to try them because these other little tail things I got most definitely taste like lobster tails. Literally like lobster tails. More tamales. Chicken tenders. Trader Joe's has not failed me when it comes to any type of meat product. Any type of chicken, chicken breast. But these are super convenient, okay? We also got some party mini-size meatballs. Okay, I'm officially back on pre-K lunch duties. So, I end up getting these like mini party meatballs for Glory's lunch. So, we'll see how she likes them this week. Because this will literally be my first week back doing her lunch for school. Because I tried the little catering thing with her school. And it was a no-go. So, let's try this out and see how this goes. I also got these raw other like shrimp. These are the ones that you guys, when I say these taste like lobster, this tastes like exactly like lobster, okay? Get a screenshot of this, okay? Because when I say if you like cook these up, get some butter, season it with some Old Bay, these taste like lobster tails, okay? Fire. Okay, so got those. I also got some fresh string beans, so these are convenient. Oh my god. Don't sleep. Do not sleep on these, okay? Do not. Do not, okay? These are the barbecue teriyaki chicken. Fire. Fire. From Trader Joe's. I got 2 packs. Vegetable fried rice from Trader Joe's. You guys, this tastes so freaking good. I love these. So I got 2 of those. Actually, never mind. I got 3 of those. I also got this calamari. I've never tried this calamari before, but I want to try it. I hope it's good because I do love calamari. But when I say Trader Joe's has not failed me, they haven't. They literally haven't failed me on anything. I got more of the orange chicken that you saw. Oh yes, this is the bulgogi fried rice with kimchi. This is one of my top favorites I always get from Trader Joe's. So most definitely try this. All right. Let's move on to the 3rd bag. That was only the 2nd bag, okay? I got these because if you had Pirate's Booty, like the chips like this, I don't know why Pirate's Booty costs so much, but these were like $3 and they give you this big giant bag. If you go get a Pirate's Booty bag, it's like $9, $10. Why? I don't know. I have no idea. So yeah. So I got the strawberries for Glory's lunch. I tried to like literally only do the school shopping stuff by the week so I don't go too ham, but I think I did pretty good. I also got, now keep in mind guys, I stopped cooking chicken at home. Like I would just go buy fried chicken from Publix or something because I got grapes. I'm just dropping stuff everywhere. I got grapes for Goy's lunch as well to just snack on to eat. So I got those. And I got these little, hold on, technical difficulties. I got these little shots. So these are, it's an energy shot and elderberry shot. And I also saw this cherry citrus. I never heard of this one. So this one looks really good. But I got these just for energy, immunity. And now we are coming to an end, guys. We are on the final bag of the Trader Joe's shopping spree. Here we go. In the final bag from the Trader Joe's shopping haul, we got this spinach and artichoke dip because this was fire the last time I had it. So I got this again. All you need is some tortilla chips. I got seaweed because me and Glory love seaweed and it's the teriyaki flavor and they're organic. So seaweed. Also, I asked for the sweetest Moscato d'Asti. And here it is. Maybe I'll save it for Christmas. I don't know. But I got this Moscato d'Asti from Trader Joe's. It was only $9. Y'all do not sleep on Trader Joe's because they're not that expensive, okay? Trust me. I mean, Walmart's cheaper, but you know, some very good quality food. Well, Gloria and my husband are here, so we're about to get ready to go to Walmart, so I have to wrap this video up. See you guys shortly.